Hey guys, welcome back. I am here to do a cleaning video. We're gonna do my fridge and hopefully the pantry. My daughter is gonna stand right here and eat her lunch. Come here, Ash. Come on. She doesn't want to clean with me, but she's gonna just eat here. You see her and eat your lunch. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're gonna clean the fridge out and clean the pantry out. So my pantry I'll explain really quick, and then if I feel like I need to explain anything throughout the video, I will. But I keep all of the things in my pantry, aside from cans, I keep them in bins, and I'll show that to you per category. But I have a lot that are emptied out now, and some that kind of will just kind of get repurposed into a different category because I'm not using it like I used to. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean those two things out, and then I'll feel better about those being clean. So we've been doing a good job keeping our kitchen clean, keeping the living room clean when the kids get ready in the morning. Let us know if you wanna do like our morning routine or something like that. It goes pretty quickly in the morning when we get the kids ready for school, but sometimes we have a little extra time because they're really good at getting ready. So let us know in the comments below if you want to do a video kind of like that, kind of what it takes to get poor kids ready for school and dad ready for work and all that kind of stuff. So let's just go clean and start with the fridge. Alright, you guys, I know it's kind of hard to see, but this is the mess that I was kind of talking about in my bucket. I kind of categorize my buckets. I'm going to try and organize it here, but I'll talk about it as I go. So I have a bin with just all storage bags. so that it's easy to come and find them when the kids need one for their lunches, or I need wax paper or foil. It's all in this bucket. So that one's done now. And then I have a bucket just for, I have peanut butter. Usually I have more peanut butter. I just have 2 in here now, but it's dirty. So I'm gonna wash that one out. Then I have this snack bucket, and this one is like out of control. This is for that's garbage. Okay, so this is our snack bucket, and it's just kind of out of control. Got popcorn. These are energy drinks for my husband, or immunity drinks for him. Crackers. These drinks need to go up into so this is kind of what I'm saying. It's just been, people have kind of been tossing stuff in here that don't really belong. So I'm just kind of sorting through it. Putting things back in. Crackers. Peanuts. And I got some raisins. So I don't worry about this one having a lid on it, just because they are in it a lot. So I just kind of keep, actually I might put a lid on it. Peanuts are almost gone. But they can get in and out of this as they need to. Snacks. Peanut butter is getting washed. So I have these baking buckets, and I feel like they're kind of a catch-all right now. They could all kind of use a rehaul. So I'm going to go through these really quick, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I got these buckets done. I have more of the food baking supplies. Chocolate chips, Jellos, muffin mix, popcorn, onion soup mix, and royal icing powder. I think that's what this is. Yeah, meringue powder. And then in this guy, it's the cupcake liners, sprinkles, food dyes, and candles are in this one. So mainly just cake decorating type supplies. So that's those 2. We're gonna put those 2 away. All right, you guys, that's it. We're all done. Ashley here is going to clean the kitchen fridge front for me, and then we're all done here in the kitchen. So I appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you have any questions for us, or if there are any videos you would like to see us make. Ashley, do you have any ideas of what we should do? We're kind of running out of ideas. So if you have anything that you'd like us to clean or organize, or even just show you how we organize, sometimes it's already organized in my mind, so I don't need to clean it. But if it's something that you would like to see, let me know. And thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.